What's the meaning of associate professor? Associate professor. Associate professor.
Associate professor. Associate professor. An associate professor is a title given to a faculty member at a college or university who has achieved tenure but has not yet been promoted to the rank of full professor. They typically hold a doctoral degree and have demonstrated excellence in teaching, research, and service to the academic community. Associate professors are responsible for teaching undergraduate and graduate courses, conducting research in their field of expertise, and participating in departmental and university affairs. They also often serve as mentors to junior faculty members and advise graduate students.